Hi everyone, this week we are continuing with multiplication in maths. We are using our 2 times, 5 times and 10 times tables. First question is, how many children are there? So we are counting in tens. So the easiest thing to do is count the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if there are 10 in the first row, I would know that there's 10 in the second row. That I would know that there are 2 groups of 10. 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. So in here, see here, one group has 10 children. One group of 10, 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. Then we have 2 groups of 10, just below here. 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. Another sticker that we have is counting in tens. So the children can count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. And if they count across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 flowers in each row, and there are 5 rows. So it's going to be 5 groups of 10. 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. So you can see here, we also have been given the children this to help them count in tens. So you can see 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. 9 multiplied by 10 equals 90. And then 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. Now, they can do this with you if they like. Complete the multiplication table, and they can use the previous slide to help them. We also have been teaching the children how to use arrays. And you can see here, this is called an array, also this. So it is 10 multiplied by 2. So you can see there is 10 here, 10 dots and 10 dots here, and there are 2 groups. So 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. And then also here, they can circle 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So counting in twos, 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Then we have B. You can see here there are 10 in this row and there are 4 rows. So there are 4 groups of 10. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. And what we have here is 4 multiplied by 10, which is 40. We also have C. So I would suggest that you can do C with the children and they can draw out the arrays. Next one is who is correct. So we have to see, is 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10 and 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. Are they both correct? And the answer would be yes, because they are both the same. 5 multiplied by 2 is the exact same as 2 multiplied by 5. They both have the same numbers. So 5 multiplied by 2, what we have here, we can see that there are 5 cupcakes in each row. So 5 times 2 is 10. Here we can see that there are 2 cupcakes in each row. So this will be 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. And it's the exact same answer, and yes, it equals 10. So this just explains it further. And now the next one, how many dots are there? So we can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. And then we have 5 times 2, 2 rows, 5 in each row. 5 times 2 is 10. And it's the exact same, they're both equal to each other. Now, the children can do this also as practice at home. 3 times 5, the arrays have been done, so they can count in fives. 5, 10, 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. They could write 5 times 3 equals 15. And I'll leave B so that you can do it also. Another one we would have is multiply 3 by 5. So we have, you can see there's 3 ice creams. So we could count in threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Or if the children do not know their 3 times tables, but they know their 5s, they can count in 5s going across. So 5, 10, 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15, is the exact same. Now we have Big Maths beat that. So again, it's just practicing our times tables. 6 times 2 is the exact same as 2 times 6. So it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This one, 10 times 2, is the same as 2 times 10, which is 20. 8 times 2, which is the exact same as 2 times 8, which is 16. Now they have to find out what the missing number is. 2 times something equals 12. So they can count up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Now, this moves on to dividing. So we would say how many 2s are in 20. So we would count up in 2s up into 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I would have counted that I had counted 10 2s. So 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. 2 divided by 20 equals 2. How many 2s are in 8? So 2, 4, 6, 8. I know that there are 4 2s in 8. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Over here, 2 times 9, children counting up to in their 2s. And the answer is 18. And then they just have to practice their taking away, their subtraction, and they're adding the 3 numbers and finding the missing number. So 10, take away 3 equals 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, thank you all. Bye.